often should you use a foil shaver on your face? I have the answer for you. Hit it. This is one of the questions that I get asked the most. How often should you use a foil shaver on your face? I'm gonna give you the answer right now, early, because some of y'all say I talk too damn much. But here you go. You should use the foil shaver if you want to keep your face or hair down. You should use the foil shaver every single day to keep your skin smooth. If you make the mistake and you let your hair grow into stubbles and think the foil shaver is going to shave it down to baldness, that's not going to happen. The foil shaver is used as a cleanup.
As I was saying, you want to use the foil shaver every day, because if you do it with the stubbles, you see my client right here, Nick, has stubbles. It won't cut anything, and I'll show you. See, notice the foil shaver, it's not meant to cut the stubbles. It's just meant to clean up after you use the trimmer. Just in this little section right here, I hit it with the foil shaver. And notice it's real smooth, real clean. And he has to look like he's ready to go out and get some chicks.
Now, some of you might have sensitive skin and you can't use the foil shaver every day. I would recommend that you use it every other day. If you wait more than 48 hours, then don't use the foil shaver. Use the trimmer first, shave the stubbles down, and then clean it up with the foil shaver. I'm going to include a link for the ones that I like the best. My first choice is the BabyLiss foil shaver. I'll include a link in the description, and then I'll also give you some other foil shavers that are good to go. I hope this helped you out. Keep the questions coming. It's your man, Uncle G. Ciao!